all my babies. It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell a mama and them, and a partners and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, got an unboxing. I don't know what's what until we open it, so let's see. This was a small package I opened from the other day. It's from the Expressway. Y'all remember back in the day when everybody named Mom used to be collecting these, what were these called? Oh, I forgot what these was called. It wasn't Beanie Babies. It wasn't Furbies. Oh, what was these called? But y'all, I got this for my purse to have as a purse charm. So yeah. What was these called? I don't remember, y'all. Oh, Trolls. Trolls. Let's see. This is, oh, and that was from the Expressway. This is also from the Expressway. Y'all thought this was so cute. What size is this? This is in the size A5. I want to say they had a size A5 and A7 of this planner. It's a 3D planner. Ooh. Y'all, I don't know how you put this together. We'll figure out and come back to it. But yeah, it's like a 3D planner where the stuff moves on the front part, and yeah. So I got that because I thought it was cute. Y'all know you got like a good little planner. And I'm gonna just keep that at my desk for when I get like ideas and stuff. Let's see. If y'all hear fans in the back, I'm sorry, it's hot. What's this? Y'all, so I got this to carry in my purse. It's a comb knife. And I remember seeing something similar like this on social media. And I was like, oh, I gotta get one of those. Y'all know I love purple. It's actually a functioning comb. Like, you can comb your hair. And then it's a nice little sharp enough knife. You know, do what you gotta do. And I want to say it came in 3 colors. It came in purple, pink, and black. Let's see. Oh, so these are bestie keychains. I got this for my bestie, my homegirl. Yeah, my homegirl. She's really cool. We just, oh my goodness, like, I'm not the type of friend, like, I'm very open, judgmental. I'm not the type of friend to judge you and stuff like that. So my bestie, she real cool. We be talking. We talk about everything. No judgment here, no judgment there. So I got her little keychain, little shunting that say bestie. I'm gonna have one. She gonna have one. Shout out to my bestie out there. Oh, this is so cute. And it's in pink. And you got the little fur ball. I'll open up mine. Oh, this is so cute. And it shimmers. I love stuff that shimmers. Keychain. Wait, did something just fall out of it? I hope this don't fall apart. I don't know. Hopefully nothing come out. That's lit. Then our last package is packages inside of packages. So we're just gonna keep that on the flow and open it. So me and my bestie both love Selena. If anybody that knows me knows that my top favorite movies is Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, Scarface, yes, Scarface with Al Pacino, Selena, Child's Play movies, the whole franchise. And the fifth one is To Wong Fu. Thanks Julie Newmar. That's with Patrick Swayze and them. They were oh my goodness, what were they? They were drag queens. If you've never seen To Wong Fu, it's an oldie but goodie movie. Watch it. It's cute. So yes, anybody that knows me know I love Selena. I love that movie. I love Selena's music. I don't speak Spanish. That's my next thing to accomplish, is to learn how to speak fluent Spanish. My brother knows how to speak fluent Spanish. I'm so jealous. But yes, I love Selena. I love her music, her songs. I got her music on MP3 player on my phones. What's my favorite song of Selena? Of course, Bidi Bidi Bamba. What is it? Late at night when all the world's sleeping, I stay up and think of you, and I wish on a star. That's my song. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. That's my song. I don't care. But like, you can't sing. It don't matter. I can hold a tune. Woo! I can hold a tune, a little something. But yes, I love the movie Selena. I love anything for Selena's. And he said it with an S. That was funny when she was performing at the carnival, and her father was like, she's in her bra. Her mom was like, it's a bustier. All the kids are doing it, even Madonna. He was like, she's in her bra. That was so cute. But yes, I got this for me and my bestie. I said, not them with the Hello Kitty Selena, especially when she was at the Texas rodeo, when she was performing on the y'all know the movie Frontwards and Backwards, when she was performing on the rotating stage. Remember when she wore the outfit? Oh my goodness, y'all, this, you can't tell me this ain't cute. So I got this for me and my bestie with the matching bestie keychains. Oh my goodness. Bidi bidi bamba, bidi bidi bamba, a bidi bidi bamba, bidi bidi bamba, a bidi bamba, a bidi. That's my song. That is my song. I love that movie, and I always cry. Always cry. Okay. I don't know when y'all might see this, but y'all know Father's Day is coming up. So y'all know in my other video I showed y'all my one uncle, he's a Browns fan, so we got him a Browns hat. My other uncle, he's a Browns fan. So my mom, she does the wrapping. She makes the gift bags, the gift what is those things? Not a gift bag, but a gift box. No, not a gift box. A gift basket? Gift basket. She makes gift baskets. So she made gift baskets for this Mother's Day. I didn't take a picture, y'all. My mom was being such a diva. She was being a rapzilla. I mean, you would have thought she worked at a company where you make gift packages and stuff. Y'all, I ain't recorded. My mom was being a diva, and I'm just like, girl, you keep taking stuff apart, putting it together, taking stuff apart. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm going upstairs. So she's making, for Mother's Day, she made gift baskets. For Father's Day, she's making gift baskets. So I couldn't find a different Browns hat, so I bought my other uncle the same Browns hat that I bought my other uncle. They got the, oh shoot, they got the new era, you know, you know, all the markings and stuff like that. So it's an adjustable hat. And this is the last one. Then also to go inside my other uncle's bag, we got him also a Browns throw. His is different, a Browns throw, but yeah, he liked brownies, so we got him a brownies throw cover. So yeah, y'all, this is my little miniature haul. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I see you guys on the next one. Bye.